Hi, I am from learnlikepro.com. This is the tutorial that shows you a simple way about how to find out square roots of large numbers. First thing you have to note is that perfect squares never end with 2, 3, 7 and 8. Okay, I'll show you here. Here I have shown you the numbers from 0 to 9 and their squares. If you see here, these squares never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. These only end with 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Okay, I think you got it. The perfect squares only end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Now see here, this is the numbers which end with 1 and 9 will have squares ending with 1. For example, 1 square is 1, 11 square is 121, 21 square is 441. That is, the numbers ending with 1 will have squares ending with 1. Similarly for 9, 9 square is 81. Okay, 19 square is 361. So the numbers ending with 9 will have squares ending with 1. And similarly for 2 and 8. Okay, the numbers ending with 2 and 8 will have their squares ending with 4. For example, 2 square is 4, 12 square is 144. Similarly for 8, 8 square is 64. And similarly for numbers ending with 4 and 6 will have squares ending with 6. 4 square 16, 6 square 36, like that. And the numbers ending with 3 and 7 will have squares ending with 9. And the numbers ending with 5 will have squares ending with 5. And the numbers ending with 0 will have squares ending with 0. Okay, 5 square is 25, 10 square is 100. Similarly, now let us see an example about how to find the square roots. This is a very simple method. Here, see the first problem. Here I want to find out the square root of 23409. Here we are finding the square root, that is the power of 2. Okay, square means power of 2, but here we are finding the square root. As it is a square root, we have to separate the last two numbers. Okay, it is a square root, so we have to separate the last two numbers and other remaining numbers. Here I have divided 0, 9 as a part and 2, 3, 4 as a part. Okay, if you see this 0, 9, consider the last number, that is 9. Okay, if you see here, the numbers ending with 3 and 7 will have squares ending with 9. Okay, for example, if you consider the square of 9, it is 3. Okay, like that. So the numbers ending with 3 and 7 will have squares ending with 9. So if we find 9 at the last, we have to consider it as the root of it as 3 or 7. Okay, I hope you understood. Now this is over. Next, go to the another part, 2, 3, 4. See, consider this number and find out where it lies. That is, this 234 lies between 15 square and 16 square. 15 square is 225 and 16 square is 256. So this 234 lies between 15 square and 16 square. But we have to always consider the lower number. Here the lower number is 15. So now the square root of 23405 becomes 153 or 157. Okay, now the square root of 23409 will be 153 or 157. But how will we find exactly what is the square root? It is either 153 or 157. To find out whether it is 153 or 157, what we have to do is multiply this 15 and 16. See where it lies. Okay, it lies between 15 square and 16 square. So multiply this 15 and 16. Okay, if we multiply the 15 and 16, its product will be 240. Now you got the product, and now what we have to do is compare the product, that is compare 240 with this 234. Okay, if the product is greater, then the lesser number will be the answer. If the product is lesser, then the higher number will be the answer. Okay, we are comparing it here. Our product is 240 and I am comparing it with 234. Here our product is higher. See here, if the product is greater, then the lesser number will be the answer. So our answer will be 153. So root of 23409, that is 23,409, is 153. So for more examples, watch our next tutorial. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Learn Like Pro. Thank you.